Hello. We have a job here to fix an Acer Aspire 14 laptop with the model Z1402. The problem is no display, or black screen. When the power button is pressed, the indicator light turns on but nothing appears on the monitor screen. Here, we can only see a current of 0.35 amperes. Okay, we will disassemble the Acer laptop to access its internal components. After we remove the battery, we try to clean the RAM memory using a pencil eraser. After cleaning, we put it back in. Then we will test it, but for safety, we will remove the hinge first, so that it doesn't break. It turns out that there is still no display. Okay, next we will try to flash the BIOS first, before trying other troubleshooting steps if it can't be fixed with a BIOS flash. To flash the BIOS, we must make sure that the file we are going to put into the BIOS IC is correct. We can check the model of this motherboard. This is the BIOS chip, which we will remove and connect to a BIOS programmer tool. Then, we will replace its firmware with a new one that matches the motherboard model. Okay, after we flash the BIOS, we will try to turn it on again. It seems to be normal now. Let's connect the supporting devices first. Now, the display appears on the screen. The laptop is working again. Next, we just need to put back the supporting devices. I think you can do it yourself. Thank you for watching until the end. I hope it is useful. See you in the next video.